guys! Welcome back to my channel again, Presi Ella FT, and I'm in Dubai Marina. Ayan. See the view behind me? It's Dubai Marina, guys. Tara, let's check this out.
Sometimes life is good.
Pag dyan po kayo nag-stay sa taas, mga building na yan, super ganda po ang view sa baba.
I thank you for this day. When I'm feeling troubled,
Yan, kasama ko.
my hands and pray that you will be that
Selfie. Yan, dito po ang Dubai Marina. So, mapapansin po ninyo, napakahaba po nitong ilog na to.
my friends. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Takbo, Jezabel! Takbo, bilis!
Thank you for joy. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
Dubai Marina is one of the tourist spot dito po sa Dubai. So, napakaganda at napaka malinis. Ang dami pong hotel dito all around the place. Marami po siyang hotel na pwede po ninyong pag-stayhan kung sakaling gusto po ninyong mag-unwind. Ayun, unwind.
Wow!
Yun, nasa bleeding na po. Kung gusto po ninyong pumunta ng karatig lugar, gaya po ng GBR Beach, nandyan po, walking distance lang din po. Then, kung ayaw nyo naman pong maglakad, may Dubai trams naman po. Trams, ayan. Then, pagkatapos ng trams, may metro din. May metro po kayong sasakyan. Ang dami pong kind of transportation dito. May bus, may public bus, may taxi, may tsaka po nagpaparent din po sila ng mga bicycle. Ayan, no, nakikita ninyo, ayan sila. Nasaan ba yung kamay ko? Ayun, yun yung mga green, yung mga green na yan, for rent po yan. Kung gusto po ninyong mag-tour dito around the marina, welcome na welcome po kayo. So, tara guys. Diba?
Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day.
Pahinga siya. Diba? Enjoy siya. Layo na po ng nalakad namin. Doon, sa kabila, napakaliwanag po dito sa marina. Paggabi, dahil nakikita po ninyo yung mga LED lights na to.
It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.